In this video, I'm gonna tell you pros and cons of onion. Onions are a versatile and widely used vegetable in cooking, known for their pungent flavor and distinct aroma. They offer various nutritional benefits and add flavor to a wide range of dishes. However, like any food, onions also have their pros and cons. Let's examine them in detail. First, we can check the pros of onions. Nutritional value. Onions are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients. They contain vitamin C and B6, folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients contribute to overall health and well-being. Antioxidant properties. Onions are a good source of antioxidants, including flavonoids and sulfur compounds. These antioxidants help protect the body against damage caused by harmful free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Anti-inflammatory effects. Onions contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as quercetin. These compounds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various health conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular disease. Heart health. Onions are known to promote heart health. They contain flavonoids that can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clotting. All these factors contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Digestive health. Onions are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes bowel regularity. Including onions in your diet can help prevent constipation and improve overall digestive health. Immune system support. The vitamin C content in onions helps boost the immune system and aids in the body's defense against infections and diseases. Flavor enhancer. Onions add a distinctive flavor to a wide range of dishes. They can enhance the taste of soups, stews, sauces, stir-fries, and many other recipes, making them more enjoyable. Now we can check the cons of onions. Digestive issues. Onions contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that some people find difficult to digest. This can lead to gas, bloating, and discomfort, particularly for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or those who are sensitive to FODMAPs, that means fermentable, oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Heartburn and acid reflux. Onions may trigger heartburn and worsen symptoms of acid reflux in some individuals. The high sulfur content in onions can cause the lower esophageal sphincter to relax, leading to the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus. Allergic reactions. Some people may have an allergic reaction to onions, experiencing symptoms such as itching, hives, swelling, or even difficulty breathing. If you have a known onion allergy, it's essential to avoid consuming them. Strong odor. The pungent smell of onions can linger on the breath and skin, which may be undesirable for some people. It can be challenging to get rid of the smell even with brushing or using mouthwash. Eye irritation. Chopping onions can release a compound called synpropanethyl oxide, which irritates the eyes and causes tearing. This can be bothersome for those with sensitive eyes or wearing contact lenses. Blood thinning. Onions contain compounds that have natural blood thinning properties. While this can be beneficial for most people, individuals taking blood thinning medications or with bleeding disorders should exercise caution and consult with their healthcare provider. It's important to note that the pros and cons of onions can vary depending on individual factors such as overall health, allergies, and tolerances. If you have specific concerns or health conditions, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. See you with another video. Bye.